This brand is from GE Appliances, which is a part of Haier Company, and the units are made in China. They can be purchased through their Amazon store and are backed by a good guarantee. They feature their Smart Dry technology, which automatically adjusts the fan speed based on the current humidity level in the room. The ADHR models are available in either 22 or 35 pint per day models and feature a 3-speed fan, but they only use a basic washable filter which does not do much to clean the air. The ADYR50LC model is a basic unit with a 50 pint capacity and 2 fan speeds, while the AWYR50LC model is Wi-Fi enabled for remote monitoring and control. The APYR50LC model has a built-in pump to automatically remove the condensate even when you do not have a floor drain that is handy. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.